Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got a cool one for you today. 32 Deuce Coupe, man. She is sweet. 408 stroker, that's a 351 base motor. Everything's chromed up, it's got dual fours on it. Just an amazing ride right here, guys. Now it's an Outlaw fiberglass body, looking sweet. Just everything about this car is amazing. Got disc brakes up front, disc brakes out back, and then the Zoomies. Zoomies are badass. I've actually already been out driving this car. It was a hoot to drive, guys. Look at this interior. All custom in there, and yeah, it's got a 5-speed, so you get to make those pipes talk. Pull into any car show, be the hit of the show. She's sweet. We got our gas fill right here. We got balonies in the back. Looking good. There's a button underneath here that opens up the trunk. All right, this has got an electric release right here. You hit this button, pops open, and then there's an emergency release over here too that you can pull open. You see the shutoff for the battery right there. Then these two hold opens. You pick up the lid a little bit, pull them towards you, and shut it back down. I tell you what, this is one of the sharpest street rods. Man, it's gorgeous. The body work is amazing. The wheel and tire combo is amazing. The interior. And I've already driven this car. And she is a beauty, man. Right down the expressway, 65, 70 miles an hour. Just a beautiful car. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We buy all of our vehicles and we spend the time to check them out before we buy them. Then when they get here, we put them up on the lift, check them all out so we can answer all your questions. Now you're watching us on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell so you get a notification every time we post one of these cool videos. Let's take this bad mamma jamma for a ride. You want to talk about cool? Now this is freaking cool, guys. Stroker motor up front, Zoomies, beautiful orange, fatties on the back. When you arrive at a car show in this, everybody's gonna stop what they're doing and look at you. This is about what you gotta have, guys. This thing is sweet. And you get to shift gears, so you get to make those Zoomies talk. Now, if you don't wanna be obnoxious, you stay out of that accelerator. It's not too obnoxious. Not in my book. Now, we can ship this beauty anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful car. And if you want some help on financing, we can help you out with that too. You just give him a call. He'll hook you up with a banker. You don't have to do a thing but make that phone call. Now look down here on the dash. All the gauges right where you need them, all spread it out, looking good. This is one sweet machine, guys. Now, we have a whole crew of mechanics at Vanguard. So if you want to add something, take something away, whatever you want to do to a hot rod, we can do it. So don't be shy, just ask Tommy. He can tell you all about it. I tell you, I can't get over how good it sounds. And it's got dual fours. Brings back memories. Now, we're gonna put this baby up on the lift. Nobody in the industry puts all of their cars on the lift. Even when you're watching those big auctions on TV, they only show you the bottom of the good cars. Well, at Vanguard, we show you the bottom of all the cars. We're coming up on our shop right now. We got 2 locations here. We're close to the airport. We'd love to have you come on in, check it out in person, but we do sell most of our cars sight unseen. So stick with us. We're gonna put this beauty in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this little 32 now, and man, it is pretty under here. Look at this. Look at those extra reinforcements for the coilovers. And it's got a big old 9-inch Ford rear end in it. It's got a triangulated 4-link here. We got disc brakes. We got right around a 390 gear in here, and it is a limited slip rear end. And then look at these braces going in every direction. This tubular bracing going front to back, side to side, every which way. You can see everything under here is brand new. Everything under here is highly finished. Cross members removable. I can't say removable, just in case you got to do something with this transmission. It does have a hydraulic clutch in it, and it is the hydraulic throwout bearing. Explosion-proof bell housing. Looks like we got the brake light switch right here, fuel filter right here. Everything under here is looking sweet. You can see that the frame actually has a hole in it here where they run the wiring in and out, which is really nice and neat. You don't have to look at all those wires. Vegas style gearbox. All this stuff up here is either jet coated, powder coated, painted real well, or chrome or stainless. I mean, just everything's looking sweet. That oil pan's chromed up. I think I already told you it's a Vegas style gearbox here. Disc brakes up front. I mean, she's a beauty, man. I tell you what, you're gonna wanna show off the bottom side of this car. And up front, we got some skinny Mickey. Let's see, what size are they? 26 by 5-inch. Those Weld lightweight racing rims, I love them. I used to have this exact set on my car. We got, there are a little bit of baffles in these Zoomies. You see those bolts? You take those bolts out and you can pull those baffles off and make a whole lot more noise. Now out back's where the balonies are. Weld Racing Wheels here, and these babies are 15-inch. And let's see how wide they are. There it is, 31 by 16s. Big boys. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood, if there was one, we got a 408 stroker. Now these start out as 351s. We got a dual set of Edelbrock 550s sitting on top, so it's got dual 4s on it, guys. And again, everything that can be polished is polished. Everything that can be chrome is chromed. Everything that can be jet coated is jet coated. I mean, it is beautiful under here. Those Zoomies are badass. It's got Taylor wires on it. This is the regulator for the fuel. That is a blaster coil, MSD. It looks like a flamethrower distributor in there. It's got a serpentine belt setup on it. The tires, my cameraman, who happens to be my oldest son, by the way, corrected me. He's got better eyes than I do. These are 6 inches, not 5 inches. You know, a 5 and a 6 looks a lot alike. Now swing around here and show them those fans. It's actually got 4 little permacool fans on it. Isn't that cool? I hope it's cool. Those headlights looking sweet, and they're late model headlights. This thing is beautiful. The grille, the radiator's aluminum. You can see the alternator's been blacked out, looking sweet. I mean, everything about this car is amazing, guys. It's got the heater hooked up here, those heater hoses. And I don't suggest you doing this after you've run this thing, because I'm pretty sure these get pretty hot. Guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.